Each weekend, riders come to tracks all across the country, pull up to the line next to their extended families, and race. Most of these riders you probably never heard of. They work for a living in normal everyday jobs, providing services to keep rural America running. They are deeply committed to family. This is a story about passion and the families that support racing in its purest form at the local level. You don't have to be a star to be a hero.
I'm Ryan Weatherby, number 553 from Michigan. I ride the 40 plus and the 35 plus classes here. Been racing for 28 years. Nothing but fun here.
My name is Chris Alco, number 19. Been racing for 14 years. I'm 19 years old. Josh Krieger, rider number 462. I ride Vet 30 and Vet 35. I've been racing about 15 years.
Because it's a sport he loves and it makes him happy, and I don't think that a wife should tell her husband he can't do something that makes him happy. And when he doesn't ride, he's not truly happy and he tends to be cranky, and I would rather push him around in a wheelchair for the rest of his life than live with a cranky man who has regrets about his life.
How has racing helped you in your personal and professional life?
Well, that's a good question. I guess it keeps me motivated to do the things I do. I really work to race, or work to ride. When I go to work, all I can think is about riding afterwards.
This is Maddie Moto here with Chris Elko. Chris, what words of advice would you give to up and coming riders?
Have fun and keep doing what you love doing.
What is your favorite part about being at the track?
Probably riding and spending time with my friends and family.
Would you say that you have a family here at the track?
Yeah, for sure. Lots of friends and family. At all the tracks.
This is Maddie Moto here at Valley Motocross with Jamie Busker. Jamie, what is it like racing in a sport that's mostly dominated by men?
I mean, I really don't feel nervous because, I mean, they support me with everything, and I've been racing with the girls, but when I did race with the guys, I mean, I just ride my own track and do what I do.
So you'd say that they respect and support you?
Yes, they do. They help me with like corners and help me what line I need to take and what jumps they know I can do and all that kind of stuff.
What's it like raising a family in the motocross world? I think the motocross community is a great place to raise kids because it's a family type of atmosphere and everybody takes care of everybody here, and it's a good place to teach your kids about morals and respect and character and hard work and determination and sportsmanship. I think kids who are raised in this type of atmosphere are hardier, they're tougher kids, they know about real injury and real fight, and they know how to fight back from injuries, and they learn about the stuff you have to deal with. And my kids have never raced until they were older, but they grew up with all of these people and they have an appreciation for how hard it is to race motocross and what a grueling sport it is and what a wonderful group of people it is.
Reality, see the follow society.
It's meant everything to me. Motocross is what I do. That's what my family does. And that's what I like. What my family's with me at the motocross track. That's what I like. What my family's with me at the motocross track.
How cute.
Go.
This is Maddie Moto with Chris Elko. Chris, what wise words? I said.
Go.
Alan Weatherby here live at Valley Motocross today, and Mike Chesney joined here with me. Mike, tell me about the track. What's going on today? Having lots of fun or what?
Yeah, I'm having a great time, but what I'm really interested in is, are you wearing camouflage to hide your gayness?
Well,
Yeah, go.
What was it again?
What
Oh,
message?
I remembered.
Because I would rather live with a busted up husband in a wheelchair than an asshole. And that's what he would be if he didn't race.